Welcome guys. So this is the fifth episode of this game building series, and in last video we learned how to implement UI buttons, and we also added some event trigger system to implement these on-click functions for this UI buttons. And now what we are going to do is in this tutorial we will learn how to make our camera follow your player movement. So if I play this game, now you can see if I press F button, our player can move in forward direction, and when I press right, our player can move in right direction. But our camera is not following this player. If our player goes out of this frame, then we won't be able to see this player anymore, and we don't want this. To avoid this, we have to make our camera follow our plane so that we can follow so that we can always track the position and location of our player. So for that, what I am going to do is first of all I will install a package. Basically this is the easiest method in which you can use or you can follow your player movement using camera, and there are some other methods also, and you can go through with them also. You can search on Google, you can Google them and can try. But right now I'm using this Cinemachine package to follow our player movement. In this method, you can see that we don't need to write any code, and we have to just make changes in our main camera settings, and then we will be able to track our player. So first of all, go to the Cinemachine section and create virtual camera. Now go to this main camera. Here you can see that the Cinemachine brain is already added as a component in this main camera, and we have to just go to this virtual camera. And now you can see that there are two options over here, follow and look at. So what we have to do is we have to just drag and drop the game object which we want our camera to follow. So we want our camera to follow this player, so that's why I have dragged this player in both of these sections. And now here you can see there are plenty of options, and then using these options you can change x and y value, and you can change the position of your camera. So here you can see, and if I change this y and z, you can see that I can easily change my view. So it's up to you what suits you most. You can go with that setting. Right now I'm just putting a random setting so that we can easily learn how to change these settings. And one more thing is that we have to adjust the camera in such a way so that we can look what will be falling from the sky, because our coins will be falling from the sky or from a certain height. So we want to see those coins. So in order to see them we must have a view. Now save this and run this. Now you can see that our camera is following our player, but when I move forward it seems to be that nothing is happening, but our camera is following our player. If you want to have more clear things, then you can just see in this game scene that our camera is also moving with our player. So whenever we rotate it in left or right direction, our camera also rotates. So in this way we can make changes in our camera, and we can easily track our player's position, and we can see what will be falling from the sky, so that we can easily collect all coins which will be falling from a certain height. You can make changes and you can explore other options also. There are many other options. You can go through with them, Google them, and try to play with them, and go with those options which suits you most. So now save this. If you want to have a more wider look view, you can change the x and y value, oh sorry, y and z value, and so that you will be having more wider view and you can see more things clearly. And now if you want to make changes in main camera, then you won't be able to make any other changes in this main camera. The only change you can make in this virtual camera, CMV cam 1. So in order to make changes in the position of the camera, you have to make changes in this virtual camera. So in next tutorial we will learn how to add animations, and so that we can have more realistic game. And if you have any concerns or you want to suggest something, you want to ask anything, you can ask me in the comment section. And please like our video, please share our channel and subscribe to our channel. Have and please follow us on Instagram also. And thanks for watching.